extension. Black 17 with extension. Bumping sugar free.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is ReyArea, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this little deep wave hair moment. I feel like this part could have came out a little bit curlier if my hair was all the way dry, but if you start your hair off damp enough, I feel like this was a huge success. You will definitely see me be wearing this out a lot. So if you're like me and you still search up heatless curls waves tutorial on YouTube like it's middle school, you have seen the bathrobe heatless curls method. Basically you go like this, curl them in, part your hair the way you want it to curl. I'm gonna start by brushing my hair. I always brush my hair from the bottom to the top. If you have thicker hair that's finer like mine, you're gonna want to do this. The last time I got my hair re-bleached, the girl did not notice. She ripped out a lot of hairs before I could even say anything. Given she was, I feel like, you know, she couldn't have known for real. But yeah, I honestly really think the problem was she didn't leave any conditioner in my hair and then started brushing it immediately. I don't know if you guys have ever been to a beauty school for hair. I'm not gonna say the name, but there's one here out in Vegas. You basically sign a contract saying, I know I am getting a haircut from a student and this could possibly go wrong. And you basically just sign away all the rights of your hair. I'm not gonna show y'all the bottle because then you'll know what school I went to and who I'm talking about. But the lady recommended I get this oil, and I swear my hair soaks up oil like it's water. And I have went through this in less than a month. Given I stopped using it because it's so thin and my hair just soaks it up like it's nothing. But my hair is brushed out now. First step you're supposed to do is part your hair the way you would want it styled. Okay, so now that I've parted my hair, I'm just gonna rebrush it again. You want to have your hair damp for this,
so it can actually dry overnight.
But worst come to worst, we're just gonna add a little heat. I feel like heat from a blow dryer is, I mean, I don't know this for a fact, but I feel like heat from a blow dryer is way less harmful than from a straight iron. But I do not know that. So I'm gonna use some of this oil. Actually, a whole bunch. This oil was actually $25. And this is $25. So I'm just gonna put that throughout my hair. Even over like leave-in conditioner and hair masks, my hair reacts so much better to oil than anything, especially when it's wet and I put it on and then I let it dry. I'm gonna be using this hair mayonnaise. It says you're supposed to rinse it out, but I leave it in. It's totally up to you. My hair is thick enough that it doesn't really do anything negatively. I'm gonna get like a generous amount. Just rake this into my hair, avoiding the roots. Speaking of roots, I want to try something. I've been bleaching my hair since I think it was April of 2021, and it's now November of 2021. This is the most my hair has been damaged with bleach, so I want to make sure I put all the nutrients back into my hair and don't leave it left for dead. Okay, so I'm kind of scared about doing this, but I figured I might as well do it on camera if I am gonna do it. I seen that micro abrasion, this is a micro abrasion roller, promotes hair growth. And I didn't put any product directly on my root, so I should be good. This is sanitized. I really want to grow back in these spots. You can't really tell if you didn't know what my hair looked like before, but it's getting sparse. It's getting sparse. And now I don't know if that's from stress or what, but I'm just gonna lightly go over this, and I'm gonna do it every time I'm gonna try and do this every time I wash my hair. First month doing that. Let's go. We are finally at the part where we actually start rolling this. Oh god, I'm kind of scared. Should I put it farther back or closer in the middle? I don't know. So I'm gonna start with this piece. I'm gonna brush everything, so hopefully that makes everything curls. Oh gosh, I don't know. Fuck. Oh, it's kind of bad. I feel the microabrasion. Should I have done that?
Did I forget to mention? I be on the roll like every week. Lifestyle creeping up on me, I cannot speak. I done turned into a niggas wanna be. I got fans from places that I've never seen. If she put it on me, then I make it leak. Got me running back from mom in love with physique. I'm in love with physique, plus I love your technique. Ain't no reason to speak, I already know you.
Okay, so now that it's like coiled as tight as possible, I'm gonna lift it up like this and kind of let it naturally curve, going away from my face. So I'm rolling it, I'm twisting the ends in, and I'm gonna let the rest of this bathrobe, I'm like rolling it too tight, low key, my baby hairs are in the back. But I'm gonna wrap it up like this and kind of give myself a Layla bun and wrap it pretty tight to where it's gonna stay, but only where it's cushioned, because you don't want any hairband marks. Finished product. I'm gonna go do my skincare routine and I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, so it's the next day. It's 3:13. It kind of still feels cold, but hopefully it's dry. I'm gonna take it out. I just finished a full face of makeup. Is it wet? Oh my god, it's wet. Okay. I'm gonna go get a hairdryer. Excuse the noise in the background now, but I think this is as dry as it's gonna get. My grandma talking on the phone.
Lifestyle creeping up on me, I cannot speak. I done turned into a niggas wanna be. I got fans in places that I've never seen. If you put it on me, then I make it leak.
Okay, so if I feel like my hair was all the way dry, all the curls would have came out like this deep wave at the top that you guys can see here. But since it was wet, it got weighed down. But do this right. This was a success.
Every time she walk my face, got me in the trance. Let me fill up the tank. Give you extra time.
If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more hair videos like this, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in next week's video.